What if I told you that the future doesn't matter as much as you think? We all set big goals: a dream job, perfect health, success, happiness. But here's the truth. If you're not living fully today, none of those future goals will matter. Stick with me for the next couple of minutes and I'll show you why focusing on the future could be holding you back and why the present is where your power lies. We're taught to always look ahead. I'll be happy when I achieve X. We believe that when we reach our goals, everything will finally click. But what if, by waiting for that perfect future, we miss out on the present moment, the only time we truly have? The future is a mirage. You can plan all you want, but if you're not living in the here and now, you're letting life pass you by without truly experiencing it. Here's where it gets interesting. The future is a result of what you do now. Every action, every choice you make today shapes who you'll become tomorrow. Nietzsche said it best: become who you are. By embracing the present moment, by fully engaging with it, you start to align your actions with your true potential. The future will take care of itself if you make today count. It's not about giving up on goals, it's about living fully in the moment while working towards them. When you focus on today, you're no longer waiting for the future to validate your existence. You become the creator of your own life. Every small step you take today brings you closer to the future you envision. But it's not the end goal that makes life meaningful. It's the journey. So, what's stopping you from living fully right now? The future will come, but the present is all you have. Don't waste it. Start living with intention today and watch as your goals follow naturally. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And remember, live today and the future will take care of itself.